Want to make your digital art look more professional? Blending modes can add depth, shading and stunning effects in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll break down the most useful blending modes and show you how to use them like a pro. So let's get started. So what exactly are blending modes? Blending modes change how layers interact, helping you add shadows, highlights and color effects. Instead of manually shading everything, you can use blending modes to do the work for you. In Affinity Designer, the blending modes are shown in this drop-down. The first blending mode that we will go into is the Multiply blending mode. Multiply is the go-to mode for shadows because it makes the colors darker without affecting the texture. First, I'll put the blending mode to multiply and then I'll choose a color like a light gray to draw the shadows. You can also choose the same color as the object, and then the result of the shadows will be a bit more saturated. The second blending mode is the Screen blending mode. So the Screen mode is perfect for light reflections and glow effects, because it brightens the colors underneath. I will take the same color that I used for the shadows and just draw a light highlight. You can also take the color of the object and then the highlights will be a bit more saturated. The third blending mode is Overlay. Overlay makes colors more vibrant and enhances depth. It is great for adding warmth and coolness. I'll just take the same color as the object and you can see that it gets more saturated. The fourth blending mode is the Color blending mode. So if you want to change colors without repenting, you can use it because it lets you adjust hues without affecting the shading. Here I'll take a cyan color and just paint over one part of the sphere. The fifth blending mode is called Add. So if you need a glowing light effect, you can use Add mode because it makes bright colors pop. So it is perfect for neon size or fantasy effects or any light. First, I'll just take the same color of the object for the Add blending mode, and then after that I chose a random color, so I chose the cyan one that we used before, And after that you can add the black color, which neutralizes what you have already done, so you can see that the old color is again visible, but it also has the effects on the side to make it look like light. Now you know how to use these blending modes. Which mode do you use the most? Let me know in the comments, and if this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more digital art tutorials. See you next time!